Here,
and Mrs. Flynn.
and we're going to do Solving Trigonometric Equations Part 2. So we have an equation here, cosine 3x equals -1/2, and here's my interval. Well, again, with the last example, my angle's 3x, so I'm going to change my interval to be 0, less than the 3x, all the way up to 6 pi. I'm going to find answers up to there. So if I just do my inverse of cosine, I know my angle for pi by 2, or sorry, 1/2.
Okay, yeah, 1/2.
My reference angle is pi over 3. Oh, I don't know why I'm writing it there yet. Let's not write that there quite yet. My reference angle is pi over 3. And it's negative. So that's going to put me here and here. And so I have to find all the angles. I'm going to go twice around the circle since it's 6 pi. Which means I'm going to have 6 answers. Oh man, let's not lose track of any. So the first one will be 2 pi by 3.
And the next one, 4 pi by 3.
And then, so that was this one. Now we have to go all the way around again. Take 2 pi and add, or 2 pi by 3 and add 2 pi to it. So that's 2 pi, the same as 6 pi over 3. So we get
8 pi over 3.
8 pi over 3.
And 10 pi over 3.
And we'll go one more time around the circle, because we have to go 6 pi. So I add 6 pi over 3 again, and I get 14 pi over 3. And 16 pi over 3. 6 answers. But I need to actually find the value of x. So I'm going to divide everything by 3.
And that's easy enough.
Right,
Just go ahead and change the denominator. I'll be 9.
9.
And those are the final answers.
Right. And my last value, which will be 16 pi over 9, double check to make sure that that is indeed less than 2 pi. It is.
And it is.
Because your final answer has to be between 0 and 2 pi, and it is indeed. Okay. One more question to go. And this is an old IB question. It says, the function defined by 30 sine 3x cosine 3x over this interval. Write down an expression for fx in this form here. Well, when I see a 6x and a cosine sine 3x, right away I think double angle, double angle.
Go ahead and write out the double angle formula.
Right, so I know that sine of 2x, or sorry, sine of x cos x equals sine of 2x. If we remember, this angle to this angle has to be 2 to 1. Well, I'm given 30 sine 3x cos x, cosine 3x.
And if it's a 2 to 1 ratio, then we can go ahead and say it's the same thing as 30.
30. Oh, because be careful, there's 2 though.
That's okay.
We need to have a 2 here, so we can say that that is 15 times 2 sine 3x cos x. And so this thing here looks almost like this. But as Miss Flynn was saying, it's a 2 to 1 ratio, so this to this, or sorry, maybe this angle to that angle has to be 2 to 1. So if this is 3, I need this to be 6x. And so that's a part here. A sine 6x, so 15 sine 6x. The second part says this value equals 0. So here's part 2. We want 15 sine 6x to equal to 0.
And give your answers in terms of pi. So that's the same thing as sine 6x equals 0.
0, 6x to 2 pi. If I multiply pi by 3 by 2.
Okay.
By 6, sorry. Is that what you were saying? I think so. Okay, so when I look at this, now I just divide by 15. Sine 6x equals 0. And 6x then 0. Where is sine 0? I have to think about
It's the second value, right? So
it's the second value. It's the y value. Okay, I want to be on the x-axis, so it's 0.
And
Pi. Does it include 2 pi? It does include 2 pi.
so it swings all around 2 pi again.
And then I divide by 6. 0 by 6 is 0.
Pi over 6 and pi over 3.
Oh, right. Which is...
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you're right. You're thinking faster than me today. Okay, so pi over 3.
Okay, just double check it's in your interval.
It is. I can include pi over 3, so we are golden. Here is your final answer.